Welcome to the wild blue, where gravity can't find you. No storm that you can't glide through, place that you can't fly to. Welcome to the wild blue. Hey everyone, Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you to play another one that was a request. This song, and I'm super grateful for it because I had not heard it. I don't know a ton of Hunter Hayes. I know a little bit, but I love learning the new song, so thanks a lot for the request. This is Wild Blue by Hunter Hayes. Great song, capo on the 2nd fret, standard tuning. Super easy to play, but it's a great song to play too. All right, so let's, first of all, thanks for subscribing before I forget. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for hitting like, everything. I really appreciate it. To those of you who haven't subscribed yet, I ask you to please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new guitar lessons and tutorials, okay? So let's get right into it. You're only going to need to use 4 chords for this whole song, 4 chords, okay? So the first one you're going to use is B minor, okay? And then you're going to use D, okay? Then G, and I don't know why I switched like that. It's easier if you do this from here, okay? You can just do that. That G, but it's either one works fine. And you will also use E minor. And you're only going to use that at very specific points, okay? So let's get started here. So for the intro, this is how I would play it. So the verses just go like this. You just go B minor, D, G. Okay, and you can just play it like that the whole time in the verses, okay? B minor, D, G. So you can do that. I'm going to show you a way that you can do it and add a little bit more like spice and flavor to it. That's how you play the verses. Now for the chorus, well, I'll get into the chorus in a second. So what you're going to do here is I'm going to walk you through part of the verse with it, like the first few lines. So you're going to go, standing at the edge of the unknown where all the wild blue begins. So you go, standing is B minor, standing at the edge of the unknown, unknown is D, unknown where the wild blue begins. So wild is where you start to do G, okay? You play G. Wild blue begins. So then when I switch, you'll notice I'm doing a little up down here, okay? So I'm going down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 okay? You don't have to do that. I just think it adds a little flavor to it. I'm going to show you another way to do it that makes it even more fun, okay? So for the intro, okay, so now you know how to play that part of the verse, right? So you just keep doing that same thing. You're going to go B minor, D, G. Okay, but since on G, at the end of it, you're kind of just like left to go. You can just do it that way if you're a very beginner. A way that I would recommend doing it though is, so like, standing at the edge of the unknown where the wild blue sky begins. So I would go down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. You see that? So I would play it like that. All right. Now for the intro, you can just do that same thing that you were doing. All right. Just that B minor, D, G. Okay. But you can also go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So to play that a little bit slower, and that just makes it more fun. Then when you go to the verses, you're like slowing down again. Okay. So you go down, 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 up, 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 down. Okay, so you can do it like that. Now that you know how to play the verse and the intro, I'm going to show you how the chorus is. This is where you're going to use E minor in just a second. All right, you're going to use it on the 3rd line, kind of. All right, you're going to go. So there's still the same chord progression for the most part. You're going to start with, let's see, welcome to the wild. So on wild is where you do B minor, wild. So in the middle, like kind of like end of wild blue, okay? Wild, okay? Wild blue. And then this is where I would for sure do the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you go, welcome to the wild. Wild is B minor. Wild. G. Where gravity. So I keep playing it like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay. Where gravity can't find you. No storm that you can't glide through. So this is where it's gonna get a little bit different. You're gonna go no storm that you can glide through. Place is D. Place that you can't fly. So fly to is E minor. Fly to, right? Fly to up here in the wild. B minor, B minor, D, G. Wild blue. Okay, that's how you play it. So that's really how you play the entire song. When you get to the solo, the way you're going to play it just like you did the chorus. Obviously, you're not going to sing anything, but you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to go B minor, D, G. But I would be playing it like you did the intro. It's like down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. So you're going to do that 2 lines. Okay, two times through. So you'll do B minor, D, G twice. And then the third time you're going to do B minor, D, E minor, and then B minor, D, G again. So that's how you would play. That's how you play the chorus, and that's how you play like the solo part right there. I did forget to mention you will need one more chord. I'm sorry, I forgot about the bridge. You're going to need an A chord. Okay, so for here you're going to go B minor, and just do the. You can just do single strums here. Taking in the view, look at all the brand new is going to be A. Brand new. I can see the world. World is G. World from here. So it's going to be back, essentially, if you spell it out. B minor, A, G. B minor, A, G. Okay? Then, the next time, you're going to do B minor, A, E. All right? And then you're going to do B minor, A, E minor. So B minor, A, E minor, B minor, A, E minor. Okay? That's it. So first 2 times in the bridge, B minor, A, G, B minor, A, G. Then the second 2 times, it's B minor, A, E minor, B minor, A, E minor, just like that. Okay, so I'll just walk you through the first 2 lines of the bridge. So it's just single strums. Taking in the view, look at all the, so let's see. Taking in the view, look at all the brand new. I see the world from here. So taking in is B minor. Look at all the brand new is A, and then I can see the world. World is G, world from here. Then you're gonna go B minor, healing and feeling like and then breathing is A, like I'm breathing deeper in this atmosphere. Yeah, then you're gonna go, this is where it gets a little bit different. I was scared of the heights. I went from fearing the feeling to feeling the fear. Okay, and then you're gonna do B minor again. And once you get above the clouds, it's funny how that feeling disappears. Okay, so clouds is and once is B minor. You get above the clouds is A. It's funny how that feeling disappears. Disappears is E minor. Okay, and then after that you're gonna go mute. Welcome to the wild blue, where gravity can't find you. That's the whole song, guys. Now you know how to play it. You're gonna rock it. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. I really appreciate your song requests and you guys hitting like and subscribe lately. It's awesome. So pumped. Thank you guys a lot. All right, thanks. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys soon.